Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today is going to be a lash with me on this set right here. This is going to be a light volume doll eye, or at least my version of a light volume. This may be a volume set for you, but for me this is a light volume. So for my fans, I'm going to be alternating between 4D and 60, and 4D and 60 just means how many lash hairs are on per fan. I am going to be using a D curl, and the diameter I'll be using is 0.5. So my client asked me to go a little bit longer with her set. So I actually had shorter lengths on right now, and I'm just taking out all of the outgrowns, and then I'll go in with a little bit of a longer set. So technically part of my set does have more shorter lengths in between. However, for the most part, this is the mapping that we'll be following for the rest on out. So starting off in the inner corner, we're going to be starting off with 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then jumping right back down to 14, 12, 10, and then 9 on the very outer corner. So as you can see, we jumped between sizes, and that's because, again, my client wanted to have longer lashes. Like, that's the look that she was going for. And in order to achieve that, I had to jump sizes because we technically already have a base down underneath. This is a refill. Normally, I do like to stick side by side, and I love a very cohesive look. But because this is a refill and we already have other sizes that aren't 16, 14. Well, I do have 14 in there. But I think the last time I did her lashes, the longest length I did have was 14. So I did go 2 up everywhere technically, and this is just to add, again, overall length all around. But yeah, that is my mapping. It is very simple, very easy. I like to keep my mappings very simple and very easy. I know sometimes being a lash artist could be like, whoa, this is kind of crazy, and it can get very confusing, especially with all the sizes and the fan, the weight, the length, the curls. Oh my gosh, there's so many curls, especially nowadays. Like, you never really know what type of look somebody is going for, literally, unless you try it. So I always tell, especially my new clients, don't be afraid to tell me what you don't like. You know, when you come in for your refill, or if you want to add something, let me know. You know, don't feel like you're going to offend my craft. At the end of the day, you need to learn me and I need to learn you. Not every lash artist is the same, and not every client is the same, and we kind of just have to work together, and we'll find it. Like, I always reassure my clients, like, girl, we'll find it. And a lot of the times we get it right on the very first time. Like, that's just absolutely amazing. But I just always say it every single time to every new client, because you just never know, and you want them to feel confident in being like, okay, she couldn't give me the look I wanted now, but she can give me the look I want, you know, later, you know. But yeah, we kind of just went on in a whole another little rant. But yeah, I guess, I kind of want to talk. Okay, let me have your opinion. I kind of want to talk about a brand that I've worked with in the past, for lashes. A lot of you guys may know what I'm talking about, but they've kind of burned me, you guys. And I'm not the first lash artist to talk about this, and I don't even know if I should, but yeah, I'm kind of just sad about the whole situation. I feel like I put a lot of time and effort into a brand that just they are offering, oh my gosh, they are offering newer lash techs coupon codes, which is perfectly fine, right? But they're offering them coupon codes at a lower rate, you know. So I had 10%, and now they're bringing on a bunch of new people that are doing 8%, which is lovely, you know. I feel like everybody should win, everybody should eat. That's not the problem, that's not the issue. But I feel like because they pay me even just 2 more percentage, they're starting to fade like the people who were with them in the beginning, and just using the people who only get a smaller percentage back. And I mean, I get it, it's business at the end of the day, so I get it 100% from a business standpoint. But I don't know, it was one of the first brands I ever worked with, and I created a little bit of an emotional attachment, I guess you could say. And I feel like I was just like thrown away. You know, like Toy Story, like when they throw the older toys, when he throws the older toys away, like that's what I feel like. But I digress, you know. And again, it's not about the other creators, like or the other lash techs. That's not the thing. This is simply the company and the fact that they paid me a higher percentage of commission, and now they have a bunch of other people who get a lower percentage of commission, and I feel like they're phasing out all the people who have a higher commission just to save a little bit of money. And yeah, but I mean, whatever. It's just, I didn't even go into full detail of like everything that happened, and I don't know if I even should, but let me know, is it even worth it? Is it even worth it? But for now, I'm just really glad that I did have, or I found other, I guess, products that I really enjoyed as well. Although I'm not even gonna lie, I did enjoy the other brand. That was my brand, you know, like I literally felt like that could have been my brand. Like I was promoting it like I was shipping it myself. Like that's yeah, but whatever. I did find other brands, and I'm really happy with what I have, and that's what I use today. It's been a crazy kind of couple of months, but yeah. What else? Oh, I got asked the question, do I lash in layers? I don't lash in layers. I can lash in layers, and I've seen people do it. Like, if you guys want a tutorial on how to properly lash in layers, let me know. But for the most part, I feel like lashing in layers, at least for me, because it's not something that I practice religiously, it kind of slows me down because you're applying your tape, you know, you're pulling out your layers, and then you're lashing. Yes, the lashing process is a quicker because everything's already basically isolated for you. You just gotta kind of move things out of the way slightly. But I still feel like for me, I've kind of mastered the way that I lash, in the sense of I can get it done really quick. Like I do my sets in between like an hour and 45 minutes to like 2 hours, and then my mega volume sets 2.5 hours max. You know, I really get the girls in and out. But no, I don't lash in layers, but I do lash all the layers. That is the difference. I don't lash in layers, but I do lash all of the layers. In this set right here, this is like the wrong video to answer this question in, because I actually left a little bit of her lower lashes unlashed, and that's just because her lashes were already getting so full, and this is supposed to be a light volume set. Like, my client has so many lashes, it's insane. But yeah, I had to stop adding lashes. I was like, oh my gosh, if I add any more lashes, this is very quickly gonna turn into a mini volume set, like, I swear. But yeah, that is basically it for me talking, you guys. The rest of this video is going to continue, but I'm going to go ahead and leave all your questions down below. I will always answer them, and I like to include lash questions into my videos when I do upload my lash with me's. You never know who needs the answer to that question. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Alex, Ebbs.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee.